Open up the piano and let's play. Amazing Grace, my chains are gone, in the key of B flat major. This is the intermediate level. Okay, so for our Amazing Grace in B flat major, we have a total of 4 chords. The first chord, we have a B flat. Now B flat, we're going to play in inversion. So we have our D, F and B flat. Okay, I'm using 1, 2 and 4, and left hand I'm going to have a B flat with my finger 2, finger 3 or 2, up to you. Now this is our B flat major. Next chord, we have our E flat major. While we're gonna keep our B flat, we're gonna have our E flat, G and B flat, and then left hand I'm gonna stretch up to E flat. This is our E flat major. Next chord, we have our F chord. We're gonna move down to C, to F, to A. Okay, you can use 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, 4, anything that's comfortable for you. And then our left hand, we're gonna have our F. Now this is our F chord. And last chord, we have our C minor. We're gonna keep the C, get an E flat and a G. Left hand, we're gonna activate F as a C, playing together C minor. Now the playing pattern for this song for full bar is gonna be a both, right, right, right. And for our half bar, it's gonna be a both and right. This is a tutorial video, so be sure to check out the next video to practice together with me. So let's start with B flat. 1 bar of B flat. Amazing Grace. How? Half a bar of E flat. Sweet. The half a bar of B flat. Sound. That 1 bar of B flat. Saved. A wretch. Like 1 bar of F. Me. I 1 bar of B flat. Once was lost, but half a bar of E flat. Now I'm half a bar of B flat. Found. Was half a bar of B flat. Blind, but half a bar of F. Now I 1 bar of B flat. C. Let's play verse 1. Smoothly ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Let's go verse 2, similar to verse 1. B flat, 1 bar, to us, grace that taught my half a bar of E flat, heart. 2, half a bar of B flat, fear. And 1 bar of B flat, grace, my fears. 1 bar of F, lived. How? 1 bar of B flat, precious deed. That half a bar of E flat, grace. Half a bar of B flat, peer. The half a bar of B flat, our. I half a bar of F, first. B 1 bar of B flat, lived. Let's play verse 2, smoothly ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Towards grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed. Let's move on to our chorus. We have a 1 bar of E flat. My chains are E flat major, gone. I've been set, B flat, free. My God, my E flat, Savior, has ransomed, F chord, 1 bar, me. and like a 1 bar of E flat, flood. His mercy, 1 bar of B flat, rains. And ending, new chord C minor, half a bar, love, half a bar of F, amazing. Go back to 1 bar of B flat, grace. Let's play chorus, smoothly ready. 1, 2, 1. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior has ransomed me. Back to E flat, and like a flood, His mercy reigns. Get ready, C minor, unending love, on F, amazing grace. Let's move on to verse 3. B flat again, similar to verse 1 and 2. The B flat, 1 bar, Lord has promised, half a bar of E flat, good, 2, half a bar of B flat, me. His, 1 bar of B flat, word, my hope, sir, 1 bar of F, cures. B flat, he, 1 bar of B flat, will, my shield, and half a bar of E flat, portion, half a bar of B flat, B. S, half a bar of B flat, long, S, half a bar of F, life, and 1 bar of B flat, Dios. Let's do verse 3, smoothly ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. The Lord has promised good to me. His word, my hope, secures. B flat again. He will, my shield, and portion be. B flat again, as long, go to F, as life and Dios, and now B flat. And last verse, verse 4, similar to verse 3, an extended version. Gonna start with 1 bar of B flat, the B flat again, earth shall soon, the half a bar of E flat, Zoff, like half a bar of B flat, snow. The 1 bar of B flat, sun, forbear, 2, 1 bar of F, shine. But 1 bar of B flat, God who called me, half a bar of E flat, here, B, half a bar of B flat, low, will, half a bar of B flat, B, 4, half a bar of F, ever, 1 bar of B flat, mine. Will, half a bar of B flat, B, 4, half a bar of F, ever, 1 bar of B flat, mine. Repeat one last line. You, half a bar of B flat, R, 4, half a bar of F, ever, 1 bar of B flat, mine. Let's go verse 4, smoothly ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, go. The earth shall soon dissolve like snow. The sun forbear to shine. But God who called me here below, B flat again, will be forever mine. Again, repeat, will be forever mine. One last line, B flat half, you are, F, forever, B flat, mine. Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.